What's up?
Alright, what's up YouTube? Today we about to play this Sonic Boom Dash 2. Whatever. Alright. And then my cousin, he about to play Israel. He about to play this on the Wii Super Mario.
Sure.
Crazy. Alright, let's do it. Yeah.
Oh, you. I'm about to throw you in the lava. I'm about to knock you.
Let's get it. Let's get it, everybody. Let's get it. I'm about to make a video. It's not on camera. It's like a YouTube video that you can put on YouTube. Yep. Let's get it. Yep. This is crazy, yo. Let's get it. Dash. Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. We got the Mario goodies. Get it. Holy crap. That was insane and crazy. I should be in my bubble. I'm in my bubble. This is crazy, y'all. This is super crazy. Oh, dang, I died. Alright. Alright, Ruby. Okay. This is pretty good. I got it, yeah. I don't know how to play this. It's my first time. I'm sorry, it's my first time. It's my first time playing this, so. Even though it been out, I don't play these type of games. My cousin needed to play it. Play these type of games, so like that. My cousin just begged me to play it. Alright, okay, just me nice. Hey, give a shout out to give a shout out to Israel Clayton, everybody. You all seen him. Trust me, you all seen him make a video. Let's get it, Knuckles. Let's get it. Let's crack somebody Knuckles. Let's go. Alright. Knuckles time. Holy crap, that was crazy. I don't know how to play this. Everybody's sorry for this. I'm so sorry. Alright, everybody. Just give a shout out to Izzo Clayton. Subscribe for my video and his videos. Izzo Clayton. Right there. Right there. I'm sitting on the couch. Right there. I can see him right now. So this is my Izzo, come here. Say hi. No, in the camera, bro. So everybody know I wasn't lying. See, I was not lying, cause I ain't a liar. Nobody want this bubble wash 3. What is this? It's some girly. I'm gonna be sick. My stomach. I ain't got some time for really. Let's get it. Let's go. Dice. I just got crabbed by a crab. I just got crabbed by a crab. On my first try, bro. I didn't even get to my 1,000. And you go super fast though. Alright, everybody do subscribe. Damn. Let's get it! Everybody. I want y'all to watch more. Wait, Israel. Can I watch my own video on YouTube? Israel?
Yeah. What?
I just wanted to know. I'm sick. I'm about to crab his crab. So you saying Sonic sex with me?
No.
Bruh. Don't be tripping, bruh. No one can tell me the secret. The secret. Not the secret. I'm gonna tell them the secret about your friend. Him. Okay. Okay. Wait, I'm not gonna tell them to my next video. But I'm in high school, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go, Knuckle, let's go.